Easyfix DIY supply a selection of draft excluders that fit easily onto door bottoms to provide insulation. They are screwed to the door so that when it closes, any gap in the threshold is sealed, like so. Each is available in 914mm and or 2.1 metre lengths and are easy to cut to size. All pricing, colours and pack details are on secondaryDIYglazing.com, where you can buy as bulk packs or single lengths. Here is a quick summary of the different types available. Strip draft excluder has a flexible blade in a rigid holder and comes in white or brown plastic. Brush draft excluder has a stiff 20mm brush and is available in white or brown plastic, gold or silver coloured aluminium, or a wooden holder. The garage door 40mm draft excluder has a longer brush for bigger gaps and is available in white or brown plastic and gold or silver coloured aluminium. The internal door strip excluder has a short flexible blade and is available in white or brown plastic only. These are our current stock range, but please do check secondaryDIYglazing.com for up-to-date details along with information on Easyfix draft excluders for doorways, letterboxes and foams and bristles for door and window frames.